क्या इस गाने में फीलिंग थी गाइस? ओके, हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली। क्या हाल है? सो गाइस, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक वीडियो रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ ऑन द सॉन्ग तुम मेरे पास, संग बाय मोहम्मद इरफान फीचरिंग भूषण भानुशाली and Pragya Kodile, and it's been produced by Z Music Originals. So guys, let's watch. So watching on my phone, and here I go. And the cover looks super interesting, so let's watch. Sorry, not Z Music Originals, Z Music Company. Okay, so let's watch. और अगर आपने मेरी तरह नहीं देखा and you're watching for the first time, so let's watch together. Here we go. So let's watch.
मैं फिर रहा था दर बदर, तुझ में घर मिला। तेरे आने से मिट गया किस्मतों से गिला। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना। अनकहे जज्बात मेरी आँखों में पढ़ लो ना। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना। ये धड़कने जो यूं चले हैं, तू ही है वजह। मीठा लगे है हर जख्म जब से तू है मिला। ये जिंदगी इतनी हंसी लग रही है पहली दफा। तेरा असर मेरी रूह पे हुआ है इस तरह। रब ना दे अब फासले थोड़े भी दरमियां। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना। तुझसे जो मिला तो जिंदगानी मिल गई। मेरे इन होठों पे मुस्कानें खिल गई। जैसे भूले राही को मंजिल मिल गई। सूखी हुई शाखों पे बहारें खिल गई। कैसा हो रहा ये जादू सा कुछ तेरे सिवा। मैं मांगू ना ऐ रब तेरा शुक्रिया। ओ हमदम तुझसे ही मेरी खुशियों का जहां। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना। तुम मेरे पास, मेरे साथ हरदम बाहों में रह लो ना।
गाइज ऑनेस्टली बताओ, क्या ये गाने में आपको देख के फीलिंग आया? Obviously, like, it's one of the worst things ever if you lose your beloved or your favorite people or person on earth. So God, okay, it's a little difficult. ये बहुत ही difficult है देखने में कि what Bhavin is going through the video. Like he is having flashbacks, उनको flashbacks आ रहे हैं of his beloved, and all the moments that they have spent and everything. ये किसी के साथ हो नहीं, और जब ये चीज़ होता है the other person who is there really feels bad and sad and like ऐसा लगता है कि ज़िंदगी ख़त्म ही हो गया. सो आई जस्ट से टू दिस कि भगवान उन लोगों को इतना स्ट्रेंथ दे ताकि दे ग्रो, दे हील एंड दे बिकम बेटर of themselves. And it's really not easy to heal from this kind of situations. Honestly, it's not really it's not easy, and it's really very difficult. Lekin yeah, we have to deal with situations that comes up in life, and we got to keep moving forward, because guys, it's life and it doesn't stay static. No matter how you feel, no matter how bad you feel, or जैसे भी आप लग रहे हो, it hardly matters. And what really matters is how you're coping up with the thing, how you're dealing with your own problems, and कैसे आप आपके problems को solution, like you're finding solutions and you're solving them. That really matters. जो pain होता है guys, when you lose someone, that pain is really is like it can't be ये words पे describe किया नहीं जा सकता. You can just feel it, and you can just see that person going through a lot. लेकिन what you can really do is just be with that person, or just be there. That's what really matters, and that's what really is important. And yeah, so that's what guys, like कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत है नहीं, कुछ करने की भी ज़रूरत है नहीं. Just go and stay with that person, क्योंकि उनके लिए वही मैटर करता है for that timing. So that's what guys. And हाँ, और क्या कहें, like this song is a little bit sad, and yeah, मुझे भी थोड़ा sad बना दिया ये इस गाने ने. Like I felt the song, and it was like yeah, feeling था, and I am like a little bit sad right now, and I am in a state like I want to cry, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, guys, the chemistry between Pragya and Bhavin was super amazing to watch on screen. Like उन लोगों की जो chemistry थी वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, and I really liked it. And coming to the singer, his vocals were awesome. Mohammed Irfan's vocals, it was super awesome. So I liked it, and like there was a दर्द था गाने में. So like there was एक दर्द था उनके vocals पे. So I really liked that, and I will surely want to hear more of him. So really I liked his vocals, and एक अलग ही perspective दे दिया इस पूरा गाने, इस पूरा song को literally. So I liked it, and yeah, so for me this song is 10 out of 10, and I like the song fully. And अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, go and watch the song. It's on Z Music Company's YouTube channel, so go and watch the song if you haven't heard the song yet, and watch the song yet. So yeah, so that's what I felt about this whole song, guys. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. हो क्या रहा है आज? Please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And how do I look? Comment down below, and also share this video if you agree with me. And guys, I'll say it again, if any one of my viewers who are watching this is going through something like this, I will just say, don't lose hope, don't just give up on life. Life ऐसे बहुत चीज़ दिखाता है, and it like life tests you, and just to make you more stronger than you are, and you're stronger than you think you are. That's what I will say to you. And just don't lose hope, and in this tug of war between you and your life, you are going to win for sure. So yeah, so on that note, wow, क्या बोला है मैंने, wow, I like it. So yeah, so that's what I felt, guys. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. And yeah, as I always say, please do stay safe. Vaccine आ गया, and yesterday I saw these two cars with policemen sitting up there and like guarding and everything. I guess there were like vaccines up there, I don't know, but let's see कब हम लोगों को vaccine मिलेगा. And yeah, so that's what, guys. Let's hope for the best, fingers crossed, and till then stay safe. And yeah, let's see how we can like deal with it. And yeah, so that's what, guys. This is Amrita, that fat girl. आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं लगता आपको? मुझे लगता है. Okay, so yeah, this is Amrita, that fat girl. Bye, have a great day. Always. आज हुआ वैसे, पता नहीं ये क्यों होता है मेरे साथ.